Hello everyone, welcome to the new lecture of mass transfer operation 1. So this is lecture number 18. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you some important numericals based on molecular diffusion. So first numerical is calculate the rate of diffusion of water vapor from a thin layer of water at the bottom of a well 6 meter in a height to dry air flowing over the top of the well. Assume the entire system is at 298 Kelvin in atmospheric pressure. If the well diameter is a 3 meter, find out the total weight of water diffused per second from the surface of the water in the well. The diffusion coefficient of water vapor in the dry air at 298 Kelvin and atmospheric pressure is 0.256 into 10 raised to minus 4 meters square second. And finally, the partial pressure of water vapor at 298 Kelvin is 0.0323 into 10 raised to minus 4 kg per meter square. So this is system of water vapor from the well is diffusing to the dry air. Okay, and height of the well is 6 meter. After that, entire system temperature is given, that is a 298 Kelvin. Pressure is atmospheric pressure. Diameter of the well is 3 meter. And we have to find here total weight of water diffused per second from the surface of the water in the well. And finally, there are two things also given at 298 Kelvin. First one is diffusion coefficient of water vapor in the dry air, means DAB. Component A is water vapor and component B is dry air. Here, dry air is a stagnant film. Okay, means diffusion of water vapor into the dry air is taking place, and DAB, that is a diffusion coefficient of component A into the B, is given as 0.256 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square per second. After that, partial pressure of water vapor at 298 Kelvin is given as 0.0323 into 10 raised to minus 4 kg per meter square. This is a PA1 bar. Okay, now we will write one by one what is given. So PA1 bar is given, partial pressure of water vapor is given, that is 0.0323 into 10 raised to minus 4 kg per meter square. You can see here, I am converting this term into the kg per centimeter square, that is 0.0323. After that, I am converting into the ATM, that is in the atmospheric pressure, because system pressure is given in the atmospheric. You can see here, entire system is at atmospheric pressure, means that's why I am converting this pressure into the atmospheric pressure. After that, PA2 bar is equal to 0, means partial pressure of dry air is equal to 0. I told you dry air is the stagnant film in this system. So PA2 bar is equal to 0. And after that, Z means height of the well diameter. Well is equal to the 6 meter. That is nothing but Z in the system. And DAB is given, that is the diffusion coefficient of component A into the B, that is equal to the 0.256 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square per second. You see here, this is also given in this question, 0.256 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square per second. After that, system temperature is T is equal to 25 plus 273 is equal to the 298 Kelvin. And PB1, that is, we can find out from this 1 minus total pressure is given, that is 1 atm. So 1 minus PA1 bar is equal to 0.969 atm. So PB1 bar is equal to 0.969 atm. Similarly, I can calculate here PB2. We know that PB1 is this. Okay, and PB2, how to find PB2? 1 minus PA2. PA2 is equal, PA2 bar is equal to 0. So 1 minus 0 is nothing but 1 atm. So PB1 bar is equal to 0.969 and PB2 bar is equal to 1 atm. After that, now we have to calculate PBLM, because we have standard equation from the molar, for the molar flux, that is equal to Na DAB into PT divided by RTZ into PBLM into PA1 bar minus PA2 bar. So in this formula, PBLM is required. So how to find that? That is log mean pressure, that is you have to find in this equation. So we have here value for PB2 bar, PB1 bar. So we have to use here. This is nothing but PB2 bar, okay, and PB1 bar. all these terms are the partial pressure here. So PB2 bar is nothing but 1, PB1 bar is nothing but 0.969 divided by ln PB2 bar is 1 divided by PB1 bar is 0.969. Just calculate, you will get here 0.984. Okay, this PB2 is nothing but PB2 bar here. Okay, this PB2 is the same as this above term. Means in numerator and denominator, all the terms are same. It's not a partial. It's not actual means pressure. It is a partial pressure. Okay. So this value is 0.984. After that, just put this value in this actual equation of molar flux of component A. dA is equal to 0.256 into 10 raised to minus 4. PT is total pressure is 1 atm. Just put the value of PA1 bar, that is a 0.031, and PA2 is 0 because that is a stagnant film. Okay, and R is nothing but 0.08206 into temperature is a 298, Z is 6 meter, and PBM is 0.298. Means you have 0.984. You have to put this value here. Okay. Okay, you have to put this value here 0.984. After that calculation, you will get like this. Answer is Na 5.496 into 10 raised to minus 9 kilomole per meter square second. Okay. So you can see here PBM is missing here. You have to put this value here 0.984. After putting this value, you will get this answer. Next one. Now we have to calculate a rate of diffusion of water to dry air. So how to find this? There is formula that molar flux into area into molecular weight of water. We know that molecular weight of water is 18, and area of, we have to find here area of well, that is given by the pi by 4 t square. And diameter is given, that is a 3 meter. You can see here 3 meter is diameter. Just put the value of diameter here, that is a 3 square. Na we have calculated 5.496 into 10 raised to minus 9. After putting all these values, after calculation, I am getting the answer 7 into 10 raised to minus 7 kg per second. So answer is the rate of diffusion of water to dry air is equal to the 7 into 10 raised to minus 7 kg per second. So this is all about first numerical. Next numerical is the volatile organic compound benzene costing rupees 45 per kg. Is stored in a tank 10 meter diameter and open at the top. A stagnant air film 10 mm thick is covering the surface of the compound, beyond which the compound is absent. Means here also stagnant air film is available and organic compound is moving. Okay. And if the atmospheric temperature is at 25 degrees Celsius, vapor pressure of the compound is 150 mmHg and its molecular diffusivity is 0.02 meter square per hour. We have to calculate here loss of benzene is rupees per day in rupees per day. So it is given, you can see here temperature of the system is given, that is at 25 degrees Celsius. We have to convert into the Kelvin. So 25 plus 273, you will get here 298 Kelvin. And Z, that is film thickness, is nothing but 10 mm. That is also 0.01 meter. You have to convert into the meter because you can see a standard value of diffusivity is given meter square per hour. So you have to convert this value into the meter. After that, P1 bar is equal to 150 mmHg. We have to convert into the atmospheric. So that how to convert that? 150 divided by 760 mmHg. You will get here 0.197 atmospheric pressure. After that, PA2 bar is equal to 0 because that air film is a stagnant in nature. You can see here stagnant air film is available. That's why its partial pressure is equal to 0. After that, we can calculate from PB1 bar is equal to 1 minus PA1 bar. This is formula for that. Similarly, for PB2 bar is equal to 1 minus PA2 bar. So calculate, just put here 1 minus PA1 bar is nothing but 0.197. You will get PB1 bar is equal to the 0.803 atm. Similarly, calculate for PB2 bar. 1 minus PA2 bar is equal to 1 minus 0 because this is the stagnant film. Component 2 is stagnant film. That's why atmospheric pressure, that is partial pressure for dry air, that's stagnant film air, is equal to 0. So PB2 bar is equal to 1 atm. You can see here. Now we have to calculate here log mean pressure, similar to the previous example. So formula for that is PV2 bar minus PV1 bar, ln PV2 bar divided by PV1 bar. Just put the value of PV1 bar here. PV2 bar is nothing but 1 atmospheric pressure. PV1 bar is equal to 0.803 divided by ln 1 divided by 0.803. After putting all these values, just calculate, you will get PVLM bar is equal to 0.898 atmospheric pressure. Now we have to use this value in a formula for the molar flux. We know that for molar flux, formula is DAB into PT divided by RTZ PVM into PA1 bar minus PA2 bar. So the DAB value is given, that is, you can see here, molecular diffusivity is given. Molar diffusivity is equal to 0.02 meters per hour. So just put here 0.02 into total pressure is 1 atmospheric. After that, PA1 bar is 0.197. You can see here 0.197 PA1 bar and PA2 bar is 0. So 0.197 minus 0. After that, R is 0.082 into temperature is at 298 Kelvin. Z is 0.01 meter. You can see here Z is 0.01 meter. Temperature is at 298 Kelvin. Okay. After that, PBM is 0.898. You can see here PBM is 0.898. We have calculated here 0.898. In previous numerical, this term is missing. Okay. So there is one correction. You have to write here this PBM like this 0.984. You have to write here. After that, you have to calculate. Then you will get here Na is equal to 5.496 into 10 to the minus 9. So after putting this value 0.898 in this numerical number second, we will get molar flux is equal to 0.018 kg mole per hour meter square. So this is value for molar flux Na. Now we have to calculate for the per day, rupees per day. How to calculate that? Because in question, this question asks you for the calculation of loss of benzene is rupees per day in this term. So how to calculate? We have calculated here Na, that is kg mole per hour meter square. So how to calculate in rupees per day? You can see here area of the tank is pi by 4 d square. Diameter is given, that is 10 mm. Okay. So just put here meter is given is 10 meter. You can see in the question. Diameter is 10 meter. Okay. So just put here area of the tank is equal to pi by 4 d square. You will get after calculation 78.5 meter square. Now we have to calculate in rupees per day. So loss of benzene from the tank in a 1 day 24 hours is given by them is equal to loss in rupees per day is equal to the Na into A, that is area, into hours, that is the 24 hours, into molecular weight into cost of benzene. So just put here values. Na is equal to 0.018. You can see here 0.018. After that, area is 78.5. After that, hours are the 24 hours. 1 day means 24 hours. You have to calculate per day. That's why I'm putting here 24 hours. After that, molecular weight of the benzene is 78. Molecular weight of benzene, you have to remember this number, that is 78. After that, cost of benzene is 45 rupees. You can see here, this is given in the question, rupees 45 per kg. 19 into, so after calculation, you will get here 11,19,115 rupees per day. So this is your final answer. So we have seen 2 numericals in this lecture. Practice this numerical. All these numericals are important for your exam point of view as well. Thank you. This is all about today's lecture. Thank you very much.